You want me to check? You want me to check? You want me to check? It's okay doon. It's okay doon. I'm concerned lang ako.
I don't want to move. I didn't want it to move. Please clean it up.
Sorry.
Hurry up.
Sandali, ang likot mo.
Is it gone? Wala na? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Ang ganda na.
Ang cute! Ang cute ng batak mo!
Ang cute ng bato.
Oh my God! Kalimutan mo ulit!
Ang what?
Ah! You put it again! Kasi kalimutan tayo yung live!
Ang cute ng batok mo.
Ang cute ng batak mo!
Ang cute ng batok mo.
Where's he working?
Ang cute ng batok mo.
Where?
Ang cute ng batok mo.
Where?
Ang cute ng batok mo.
Where? You look like you're trying to sleep, man. Ang cute ng
Ang
batak
cute ng
mo.
batok mo.
What?
Ay! Sorry, I'm not above, it's just...
Sorry, I'm not the first.
Sorry, I'm not above, it's just... Wala lang. Ang cute mo. Ay, teka! Wag ka muna umalis. My name is Bailey and you are?
Nobody.
Talaga ba ngayang makipakilala?
What for?
Para maging friends tayo. Malay mo. Tapos malay mo. Isang araw, payat kang sigawan dito.
Gusto din kita.
Well, nice meeting you, Miss Nobody.
Hey, what fire? Does it stop? Dippo. Congratulations, you're my first follower sa vlog ko. I'm glad you read my article. Are you a romantic too? Oh, no.
Oh. Let's see. You're no longer Miss Nobody, eh, Elena?
Stop it.
I can't. I think I'm in love.
And I think you're stalking me.
Don't be conceited. I'm not stalking you. I'm following your anonymous blog. Ikaw nga,